G'day everyone, it's Chriso. How you doing? Yeah, I'm just about to do the second coat of this bathroom now. So yeah, an hour or so and I'll be off home and give my back a bit of a break. I'll sit on the couch, watch a movie. Yeah, so I've had the fan on it. I went away for a singer and we're home and hose. I'll see you soon. This is Chriso for your second coat. All your bandage and everything's been done. It's just a matter of filling in the spaces. The owner did these boxes. They're a bit shitty, but I'll be able to square them up and that sort of thing. He's put a bit of slope on the cement sheet, which is good. They're a bit out of square and that sort of thing, but that's all right. The outer squareness and that sort of thing that he's got, I can easily fix up when I'm tiling. No biggie. Da 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 da. Dee. Bloody beautiful. What I have found, people, is that with me doing more bathrooms at the same time, I am able to leave things a bit longer and it is better. Things have more time to cure. Like, I'll be leaving this waterproof now for 4 or 5 days because I'm tiling another bathroom about 20 minutes from here. And 4 or 5 days gives it a good cure time, which I haven't done before, but it's yeah, it's not bad actually. When I used to do one bathroom at a time, I used to waterproof and then bed my tiles. But now with me waterproofing on top, it's a slower process. So it's better to work 2 bathrooms. I did have 3 on the go. And that's sort of a little bit too much because people don't like waiting too long. Two is a better amount. 2 bathrooms. Like that's way out of square, but I'll square it up. It needs to come over about where my finger is. That's square, straight in there, but that's all right. Slap it on. Alright people, I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side.